Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we will be checking out the new G-Tag update.
Okay, come over here.
And sorry I'm late to this, but like,
He's still seeing you. He still wants to get.
I don't know, bro. Suck it up.
No.
Is it a PC player or just a normal friggin' modder?
It's over here. Yeah, it's over here. Get my fortune later.
I'll play multi-block.
As you can see,
That's how you get a multi-block?
the blocks are back, finally. I'll show you my one
Where were you going?
thing I made in a private.
Oh my god! Alright, we
I know you have a tag.
hold this up like this. Hold this
I know you
like
have a tag.
Yeah.
What do you mean I have a tag leg?
Doesn't work anymore.
Most cards don't forget to go.
Hey, no,
I'll tell you everything you need to know about this update, including how to save your builds. Here's my build. Don't press this button. This is to go from small to big. This is to go from big to small. Like this. I don't know what that is there. I think these are always here, to be honest, because they were here last time. Yeah, but it's just basically a recreation of the G-Tag map. Just like way worse. And it's still fun though. We have a market here you could get in and out of. Watch. Oh, I can't go big. Oh, hold up. And to save your build, let me add something real quick. I light a vent on top of this, on top of the building, actually. Once you do this, you could save this by going to this thing here, going to scan 1, make sure you have your build, and pressing update scan. And it updated. Watch. And then that's how you do it. And how you spawn it is basically just like, so you build it and you want to leave to go play a different game. And then you have it saved, so you leave. Then you come back, go in a code.
Because I did add it.
Press scan 1.
That's the snowman.
That's what Snowhead
Go
do.
to seek for random code. And then it should spawn. I think it's only in private codes, but yeah. Also, to get your place like this is mine. You just place a block down and it'll show your name. I don't know what these mean, but that. Then this is to do this. Spread it. I don't know what that it does, but it just does that. Is that the song? I did not know this had a song. Oh my god. This is exactly what I need. Oh my god, bro. I love this. I'm gonna cycle this. haven't seen this update. You're kind of weird. Watch. It's gonna open it. Oh my god, it's so cool. I'm gonna see so smart. Close now. What happens if you press it? Really? Close it. Opens. Oh, and to get out, you just get through this window. Whee! Come on, land on it. No! Oh man. Hold up. I got an idea. Oh, it's just blowing this way. That's fun though. Press this button a few times to get big again. You can make only up, you can make whatever. Whatever. And yeah, that's it for today's video. See you. Hold up, I gotta save this first. Come join this code CQ, and come play with me. I'll be in this for a while. See ya.